Deputy Chairperson, Hatina Bunondomai, and Sosobono and Toranti Suva, Tokani to the Fiji Museum, Permanent Secretaries, private sector partners, members of the diplomatic corps, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, and a warm good evening to you all. It is indeed an honor for me to officiate as chief guest at this soft opening of the Fiji Museum Voyages, Stories of an Ocean People exhibition. I wish to pay tribute to the ancestors of this land, which we all stand, and I acknowledge the presence of the representative of the Turanga Tisua from Suvo, present here with us today. Nawali unanumuni Tiorawa, and I come in Kuni when the Tatal Songo and Kenamin Dolabitali, Nandawan Yayabu, Marway. I wish also to extend my appreciation to the Fiji Museum board and staff for the traditional ceremonies of welcome accorded to me and this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, as a Pacific family, we may differ in our traditions and customs and ways of life, but one thing is certain. We are connected through the vast Pacific Ocean, and while our beliefs vary, the mana from our ocean shows deep connection between our people and our ancestors. In my opinion, there is no better place to house the stories of our ocean than this National Museum, which is the custodian of more than 10,000 objects, over 100 years of history that validate our stories, our culture, and our heritage. As patron of the Fiji Museum, the First Lady and I were given a private tour of the exhibition. I can assure you that what the Fiji Museum team have prepared for you will captivate the imagination, making the 2-year closure during the pandemic well worth the wait. This evening, you will also witness opening of one of the 5 main galleries of the Fiji Museum. After more than 3 decades of unstructured curation and disconnected storylines, this is the first of many innovative exhibitions that the Fiji Museum promotes 2 principles, which is to inspire and to educate. The Voyages, Stories of an Ocean People, displays a collection of evidence of indigenous origins through migration, settlements, traditional knowledge, associated practices, and an array of Fijian stories. The collection of objects used, its history and knowledge, serve as a comprehensive database for information to inform and inspire current and future generations facing unique climate change challenges such as global warming, sea level rises, extreme weather conditions, and many more. Similarly, the exhibition is a platform that allows the exchange of ideas, educational learning, and wealth of knowledge for our young people. I was delighted to see that the theme of this exhibition, as it honors Fiji's rich maritime history and long-standing relationship with the ocean. This resonates with a subject that is clear to me, and I have devoted my life to champion and create advocacy on. Through my traditional role as a Timoduata, I steward the safeguarding of our ocean, our ecosystem, and the environment through communal efforts, which embrace our traditional knowledge systems. This exhibition harnesses the cultural knowledge and the skills in such impressive forms as the iconic Ratufina Undua. Recently, there is renewed interest in understanding how our people have journeyed throughout the Pacific using traditional navigational methods to traverse the vast Pacific Ocean. Locally, we have had organizations like the Utoniaro Trust that have played a fundamental role in educating our people in basic navigation skills and even the construction and rigging of traditional sailing vessels as better alternative for sustainable sea transport. It is through organizations as such that encourage us to educate others to love, appreciate, and respect our natural resources as a gift to humanity. For centuries, museums have played an integral part in preserving our history. It were for not the foresight of the Fijian Society in 1908 and the presentation of his collection of artifacts by Sir William Allardyce to the Suva Town Board the existence of a national museum for all Fijians would have never been. Over the years, descendants of explorers, colonists, missionaries, and collectors have assisted in the deposit and repatriation of Fijian objects from international institutions. These eventually amassed. Amazing to come, the Fiji Museum collection are in itself a significant resource for our children, students, researchers, the Fijian diaspora, local communities, and general public alike. The Fiji Museum has over the years become a significant attraction for visitors to Suva. This has contributed greatly to the local economy in terms of revenue generated for local vendors and business institutions. I am therefore certain that with the reopening of the museum in tandem with the docking of cruise liners at the Suva Wharf with the post-pandemic opening of international borders, we will contribute towards the surge of visitor numbers eager to engage and learn about our heritage and history. Fiji's 5 to 20 years National Development Plan enables an environment for socio-cultural development through partnership that will reach new and diverse audiences. This milestone achievement by the Fiji Museum is indicative of the many partnerships, donor support, and the continued backing of government to ensure that the standard attained in museum curation and education is benchmarked to international best practices for exhibition. Finally, to the Fiji Museum Board of Trustees, the Director of Fiji Museum, Tokani of the Fiji Museum, Museum curatorial consultants, and the hardworking staff of our National Museum, I wish to extend my sincere gratitude and vinakabukaleu to you all for your dedication and commitment to keeping alive the narratives and heritage of this iconic national cultural institution. We look forward to more creative and innovative exhibitions in the not too distant future that shall narrate the knowledge passed from our forefathers and prove a space for informative discussions on challenging issues and topics. With those few words, it gives me great pleasure to officially open the Voyager Stories of an Ocean People exhibition. Merry Christmas and a blessed New Year, and may Almighty bless us all.